Hello and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Daisy, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Krupal Bhansali, Vice President of Sales at the BAP Company, explained that the organization offers industry-grade IT training to rural students, particularly children of farmers, through hands-on learning led by industry experts. Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Rumani. Let's hear what Sir had to say.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We have with us a very special guest, and he's from a very unique company. He is Mr. Krupal Bhansali, VP Sales of BAP Company. So, welcome to the summit.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Experience being here.
It's been wonderful. I think it's a great platform where we're getting to interact with so many people, spread the message that our company wants to take across. It couldn't have got better.
Absolutely, sir. So, first of all, we are curious. What is BAP Company all about, and where does the name come from?
So, BAP Company is actually, it means business applications and platforms.
Okay.
We are into core technology platform services. Anything under the umbrella of IT is what we do. But we have a different mission statement. We are looking at decentralizing IT. Typically, companies come to tier 1, tier 2 cities for IT education, for software services, but we are doing it from the rural part of India. And our founder, Mr. Rao Sahib Guge, he's also generating a lot of employment for rural students. People who want to make a career in IT but do not have, the means and direction. So he's also looked at as a father figure. That's why the name BAP Company.
Wow, that's very beautiful. And so, working in rural areas comes with, its challenges.
Yes.
How you're overcoming with it, and when you see the smile on those children's faces.
Correct.
It must have been, giving
It's an absolutely fulfilling experience, if I may call it. There were challenges, there were a lot of challenges, but I think the vision was very set and very, very clear that ye karna hai. And, whatever is it that the world can do, we can do it from the heart of the village.
Right.
That has been the driving statement for everybody here at the BAP Company. And I think we've been reasonably successful in delivering what we have wanted to do.
Absolutely. So tell me something about the mechanism, how it works, like how you find the talent,
Okay.
how you enroll the students, and what your side of all the work processes.
Absolutely. So basically, if you see, students who come from villages, I'll take an example of farmers' children.
Right.
When they want to make a career in IT, typically they have to come to a city.
Right.
Places like Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad. When they come to places like this, there are typically two challenges that they face. Number one, I don't know, it could be not very financially viable. Number two, it could also be that they may not be a cultural fit into this thing. So we thought that why not, train them from the heart of the village, through industry experts. So even if you see our training methodologies are not very conventional. The minute a student enrolls for any of our courses, he's put on the job, he's put on the computer from day one. And he's trained by industry experts. So that gives him a lot of exposure in terms of industry from day one. Number two, once the student graduates, he's either deployed into any of the projects that we are already working on, or we also have solutions where, he's deployed into other companies which have a talent requirement. And companies are happy to work with us because, I'm also giving them an advantage in terms of economics. It's a economically viable option for them.
Absolutely.
So we've been pretty successful in what we're doing.
Okay. So how far have you been able to reach the markets, like in one area? But which part of the
I think we are spread across the world. We have national and international clients. We've delivered close to more than 500 projects in under 3 years that we are staying.
That's insane. And I'm sure the viewers watching it from the rural areas must be getting, motivated.
Absolutely.
Anything, any message for them?
No message as such, but just keep working hard, keep your vision clear, and I'm sure success will follow.
That's absolutely true. And final words, your partnership with the Time to Grow Media.
Oh, well, I have, been associated with this media house in the past through my earlier organizations. Here at Bap Company, of course, this is the first time. It's been great speaking to educators, understanding what their vision is. And I also took this opportunity to, kind of align our vision with their thoughts.
Right.
So it's been a great networking platform, and we look forward to continuing this association.
Absolutely. The feeling is mutual.
Absolutely.
And we are delighted to have you here. So here's to much more fruitful partnerships in the future.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
for
so
being
much.
here. And I'm sure all the viewers are equally excited to, get into all the things you're offering.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Please do have a look at our website. It's called www.bapcompany.com.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 72170700100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news updates and inspiring interviews from the Edu Bulletin.